Hi guys, in this I'll show where to equip guns if you are a starter, so join the game and then press weapons, and that's it. By knife by bestie, press this and then press your weapons to play, choose guns, armors and things, so that's it. Now by zero. Bye bye by F by bye bye, it's my birthday.